really only got to find one pair of freaking pants, which I hope I can find another pair, but I'm not sure. So I'm just about to go look still or whatever. But I do wash all the items that I do get, so make sure that you do wash. I repeat, after you know shop at a thrift shop, you know, wash the items that you do get, because you just never know. Okay, babes, I am back at my favorite Goodwills, which is located in my community, and I really wanted to make some chrome heart jeans, and I wanted to find some cute light jeans that go with these black chrome hearts that I want to put on. But I think I already found the perfect jeans. I already tried on like a couple, and I was just trying on some other cute pants. I thought that was cute. So I think I'm going to somewhat get these. I wanted a Y2K kind of style where the pants kind of flare out and whatnot. So I'm kind of looking at these pants because I don't know. They kind of stretchable too, y'all. So I'm like, yeah, I think these are already perfect. I cannot not fit the shorts. These pants that are so-called from Shein, y'all, these are terrible, terrible. Y'all, these so-called stretchable Old Navy jeans. It's definitely a no. They way too tight. And pause, y'all. This mini skirt, I didn't fold it. It was like extra long. I don't know if it was high-waisted. I think it was, but y'all, I don't know. I could like totally put chrome hearts on this. Decisions, because this is very cute and it's like really stretchable. So I'm deciding. I did want to do jeans, but now I'm thinking about doing a jean skirt. This is really cute, and this would be cute chrome hearted. The only pair of jeans that I found that I think I'm going to use, and I wish I could at least find like a second pair. Oh yeah, babes, I also found these cute rain boots. I've been wanting some rain boots for how long, and these are like perfect. And the cheetah bag is like a winter like bag, and I think it's actually really cute. So I don't know, I'm debating if I want to get it or not, but it's this season. I'm really finding so much cute stuff, y'all. Like I think I'm gonna go with these pants, but these are the items I'm going to officially get and decided to have. And I think I'm gonna do the pink jean skirt or the denim light jeans for the chrome heart. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing, and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner store tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and, you know, hit that subscribe button. Okay, babe, so these are the official jeans that I picked up from the thrift shop or whatever that's in my local area. And it is actually with diamonds on them. This is like no name brand or anything. 9 West jeans, which they really fit very good, and they're a West End fit boot cut, and obviously a size 28. And they actually are like low rise to where I can show like my belly ring. And yeah, I got my nails done, y'all. They're actually duck shaped, and my little sis did them on me, and I am actually so in love with these. It's something different. I feel like the rapper Baby Tate, y'all know her? I don't know actually which bottoms I want to add, you know, to officially do the chrome hearts. I actually had these chrome heart patches for like a while, and from AliExpress. These chrome heart patches are from AliExpress. They have many other different colors, but I chose black because I know black is, you know, go with everything. It's just a basic color, whatever. Speaking of these lovely chrome hearts, I had actually lost these, and I had to freaking find where I put them, and it took me a couple of months. Freaking chrome hearts on these jeans or this skirt. Like, I have not even decided what I actually want to do. It's like, do I want to do the skirt with chrome hearts, or do I want to do the jeans? Decisions. Okay. But I'm so happy I found these patches, and I'm actually going to try to, you know, put them on something. I just don't know which bottoms. And I believe they only came with like 10. Yeah, only came with 10. I wish it was like at least like, I guess like 15, but only 10. I'm really gonna have to like space these out and like kind of put them and make them cute, if you know what I mean. It's funny because as y'all can see, I have butterfly prints, if you can see it, inside of this little cover sheet that I use to put over the patches. And yes, babes, this is the mini iron that I use, which is Tulip. It's a little cute mini iron that I use to iron on the patches, which is so easy and light. And this is what I use to iron on my beautiful patches. If you are interested, I got this from actually a Hobby Lobby some months ago, or like a year ago. I actually hate that I put holes into this using the wrong iron before I got my mini baby Tulip iron, but now that I know, I use this iron all the time. And this is how I cover it up, and all I do is just lay this mini iron on top of the patch and where it's at, and I press it down for at least 30 seconds or so and wait for it to be printed down. I'm at home, y'all, from my grams, but I don't know if I actually want to crop the jeans, you know, across the waist like Mariah did in 99 from her Rainbow album. If you have not checked out my video of the crop jeans of Mariah in 99 from her Rainbow album, please check out that video. You know, it is a prime example of me just, you know, cutting the crop because, y'all, this made me look so fat or like so dysfunctional, chubby. When I zip it up at, you know, the button or whatever, I can't even talk. But yeah, like I'm having to like cut this off, I think, because it'll give me more of a slim look. Bottom to top of the beautiful chrome heart jeans. And actually where I am going to zip them up at. Boom. Bottom to top of the back of the chrome heart jeans. And I really just had to make sure I cut enough at the top, you know, to make sure, you know, my butt crack or anything wasn't showing, which I know that is in style, but, you know, whatever, it'll show anyways. So, you know, make sure you keep like pulling up your little pants or whatever, or, you know, cut a good enough length, which it can be a good enough length regardless. And the pockets is really something fun and cute. It's with the rhinestones, diamonds, whatever, also on the pockets. All right, so I actually cropped the jeans like Mariah in 99. I didn't put them through the washer. I'm literally like cropping them and about to wear them and put them on. So like whatever, but next time I do it after wash, you know, whatever with the patches, it'll be like a little effects and detail, like jean string hanging from the top or whatever. But this is how it's gonna look right now, and I'm actually digging it. All right, babes, these are the chrome heart jeans, and the crop that I added to the chrome heart jeans, and they are so cute and fun. I really loved how they turned out, and the crosses on the back or whatever. They're like really cute. I had to crop the jeans, you know, because it was like my, you know, my love handles and stuff was hanging out, and I did not like that. So I'm just like, no, I'm gonna have to crop, okay? Mariah even explained it in her interview in 99 about her Rainbow album and why she cut the top of her jeans off. Okay? So yeah, these is how they turned out, and they're pretty easy and fun. The chrome hearts was pretty easy to press down, and I wouldn't recommend 30 seconds. I recommend 40. Make sure your iron is striking hot so you will not have to keep going back and, you know, keep applying on the patches that keep peeling up or whatever. No. Like, you need to have them firm, planted down. That's what I had to learn between patches. Because me and patches, I will just, like, literally leave it on 20, 30 seconds and thinking it's pressed on. And it's not. No, you got to iron that thing on. Like, for real. And, like, put it to where it's, like, a lot of heat on it and pressure on it. And make sure it's patted down just like that. But this is how the jeans turned out. Something fun. You know, I picked these up from a Thrifty in my local thrift shop. I can't even remember how much they were. I think the jeans was about $10-15. I know I go to a Thrifty, but y'all, the thrift shops still be high like regular prices at a regular store. I'm just like, why? They really give me that Y2K feel, you know, just cute and pretty, and something simple, the late 90s, early 2000s vibe, something fun and flirty. And I got black and orange on because every day is really Halloween, you know, want to add details onto your jeans or whatever. But, you know,
Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, babes. And I really hope you enjoyed this because I did. And I'm like wearing them much. I've been out and about in these jeans, y'all. Like I'm just getting home, really. So yeah.